Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, it's been a while, but today I am going to be filming a try on haul and also a oh my god, it's so big. So I got two of these basically. I needed to show it to you guys because they were so heavy and I can't hold it any longer. But yeah, I got two huge parcels from Prettylittlething. Okay, seriously need to put that down. It is so heavy. And I thought, well, I'm changing up my whole style. I think it's that time of year. I also think it's I've been like, I'm 24 now, I'm getting a little bit more older. My style is bound to change. Also my lifestyle is changing. Not doing the same things as before, you know, lots of other things. And I thought, you know, I want to change up my wardrobe. So I've been thinking about it for quite a while now, and Prettylittlething actually I've done like a outfit of the day with them before, and then they emailed me and they were like, we'll send you a few pieces if you're interested. And I was like, oh my god, perfect, because I really want to change up my wardrobe, get new pieces, get something completely different from what I usually wear, because my wardrobe currently consists of jumpers, blazers that I currently am not wearing, but they're my favorite vintage blazers, jogging bottoms, heels that I can't wear, and that's literally it. So I'm just like, oh, and fur coats, lots and lots of fur coats. And I was just like, okay, I'm kind of like, I'm still sporty, don't get me wrong, you will see me at least 3 times a week in like jogging bottoms and, you know, a whole tracksuit kind of thing. So that's never gonna go, but I kind of really want to change up my style. I want to bring something new, something fresh. And also I love doing this, like every year I do this, I experiment with different things. It's not a sponsored video, I just got the pieces sent out to me and I thought I'd show you and like show them on me, not just like here it is, because I think that's a lot more fun. And also I don't know what I got yet. This is the first item and it's this gorgeous pink jumper dress. It's got a high turtleneck, which I love. I love how big this is. Like, I'm just loving how big it is. I can easily wear 3-4 tops underneath because it's freezing, and then have this on top without looking so huge. I hope they look good. I'm usually a size 8 to 10 in jeans. I got a 12 because I really don't, no, I do. I love skinny jeans, but I really want jeans that look straight all the way down. And when I buy straight jeans in my size, they're still fitted, but I really like that mom jean look. But then I hate how tight mom jeans are at the top, because I am such, that's why I live in like jogging bottoms, because I'm such a comfortable person. I hate anything that's tight. Just tight. I hate anything tight. So I thought I'll buy a size 12 and then have it as an oversized kind of look. I really like that. This is what the jeans look like. As you can see, they're super baggy, and really I wouldn't really wear them with this jumper because then I literally look like a little oompa loompa. I would wear it with something, a similar jumper like this probably, but the sleeves tighter, because if the sleeves are fitted, then it looks a lot nicer, as you can see. But I love how baggy they look at the bottom like this. And they are really long because I'm super tiny. I'm 5'2", so I've just rolled up the jeans twice. Then I also got these biker boot heels-esque, kind of. They're so nice. They're like this shiny gunmetal. They're really comfortable. And I did get them in a size 5. I think I just need to loosen them up a little bit at the laces, and then they will be super comfortable if I like want to wear them with socks. The next thing I got is this jumper. It's kind of it's still a jumper, but it's a very thin jumper. I know I said I'm not gonna go for anything sporty, but I really love how statement this looks, and I just really like the colors. I love, like, you can tell the fabric was like thick on the model, and it's actually looking even nicer than I expected it to be, because I thought it's going to be just a little bit thinner than this, but it's thicker, which is great because it means it's opaque, it's long, like it just comes above my knee, so it's like a proper mini dress and it's super modest. I love it. I love that it's just straight, but then it still complements you. Like, it's just such a nice piece. It's such a fun piece to just like throw on if I'm like going out with the girls, or I just want something that's a little bit more dressed up, but I don't really want to make much of an effort. I just took off those really baggy jeans because like I think they were making me look so much bigger around the hip area because they're so baggy and they do kind of like scrunch up at the waist because they're quite big. But this is without them and just wearing leggings, so just so you can see how much nicer it falls, like that. Next, I got this jumper. Oh my god, when I saw this jumper online, I just fell in love with it. I was like, what? I need this. Is there any more pieces like this? I don't want to, it's a little bit short. I didn't expect it to be so short, but it looks like this. So it's all pink in the back, then all lilac at the front, and then one sleeve is blue and the other one is peach, and they're like super big. I just wish it was longer. It's so short. I'm gonna have to find something because I don't want to wear like a long black top or something, but I'm gonna see if I have like, if I can find a lilac, well basically one of these colors, if I can find a what's it called, like a long top underneath that I can wear it with, and then like trousers or a skirt. And then I did get these trousers, but I don't know if it's worth showing you because look, like that's my toe right at the end. Yeah, like they're literally a whole they're like a whole 10 inches too long, but good job I can sew. So the next piece, which is what I'm wearing on now, I was so skeptical and really scared. Like when I saw it online, I got so happy, but when I actually thought about it and the way it looked on the model, I was so scared it was going to be really fitted. So I went and I got a size 12. And I kind of wish I got a size smaller, but then I do kind of like it like this. I wish they had another color, because if they had this in another color, I would have ordered a size smaller. So this dress ended up being full length on me, thank God. And these are the heels. When I saw these heels online, I thought, oh, they're so pretty. I don't have red heels, and I don't have any, like, I need more boots with this kind of heel because I want some height to me, but then I can't wear heels, so this is a perfect height. Then the shoes were the only thing I opened, by the way, prior to this video. Everything else I'm opening to you guys on camera. My turtles are having a fight and they're banging into each other. That's what that noise is. So anyway, not turtles, tortoises. So but when I opened this morning, oh my god, I was just like, what? Honestly, the photo online does not do the shoe any justice. It's a lot more pointier than it looks online, which I love. I love pointy shoes, but not only is it pointy, it's comfortable pointy. Like my foot is still, because I've got one on, it's still like so comfortable. It's not getting squished. I wish I could show you the whole outfit because it's just so gorgeous, but I don't have a wide angle lens, so I can't really show it to you guys. Super pretty, really nice, like super modest. I love it. I love this knit. I love how, like, I love the color. I love how different it looks. Once again, I got another jumper dress. I got loads of jumper dresses because I'm trying to dress a lot more modest, like dresses, maxi dresses and mini dresses and stuff like that. It's so funny because I said I don't want to dress sporty, but then now I'm realizing everything is like super sporty-esque. So anyway, I got this velvet jumper dress and I got it in a 12 again. Once again, I could have got it in a 10, but I just don't, you know what, I never know what to expect. So I'd rather go up a size than down a size, because I can always wear something oversized, rather than if something's tight, then I wouldn't really wear it, to be honest. There, you can see it now. this is what it looks like, and to be honest it's a size 12, but I really love the way it falls. So this jumper dress I actually got in a size 10 and it ended up being super massive. It's just basically a very basic jumper dress. It's so long, it's so much longer than I thought. It's literally past my knees. It is very wide from the bottom. I kind of wish it was it's A-line rather than just straight, if that makes sense, like it goes outwards. Also, the other reason why it looks so bulky is because I'm wearing these size 12 jeans, and they're like quite big around the hip and waist area, but this is kind of the look that I wanted. So for them to kind of fall like this, where they're just super straight, got black leggings underneath because they're super ripped. So the next outfit, don't mind this jacket, literally it was just here, and it's Ahmed's and I just threw it on just to quickly show you what this t-shirt actually looks like. So it's a t-shirt dress. When I saw this online, I loved it. Comes in two different colors and like stripe colors. It's striped from the front to back, and it is short sleeves, which is why I had to throw this on just to make it modest and stuff. Oh, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe as well, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye. I actually really enjoyed doing this video standing up. I think it's so much easier doing videos standing up. Like, I feel like I could be more myself when I'm standing up. Does that make sense? Rather than when I'm sitting down, I feel really like, hi guys, so you know today. But when I'm standing up, I'm really like, okay then. So you know, I feel like I have a lot more energy. I'm a little bit more excited about everything rather than when I'm sitting down. But yeah, anyway, ciao.